Hello, good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my channel. And in this video, guys, today I'm going to teach you guys how to use Google Veo 3 for 100% free without limitation. Okay, but before we dive in, I'm going to show you guys some sample and the reason why I said without limitation. And this is it. Before you can use Google Veo 3, you need to put in your credit card or debit card. But this video will help you to bypass all that, but not illegal. Like, this is not a phishing, this is not scam. Okay, this is actually legit, and this is, like, let's say, wisdom. Yeah. Okay, so before we dive in, let me go down here. If you come down to the aistudio.google.com/apps, then you're going to land on this interface. So okay, the interface you're going to land on this chat interface, and when you click on the build, you go to where we are coming from. But now, let's say when you land on this interface, right, and you want to explore more other tools, so you can go to the build or you go to image generator. So when you come here, I see the Veo. So when you click on this Veo section here, you're going to land on Veo 2, right? You're going to land on Veo 2, where you can generate up to 8 seconds video for free until you hit your limit. So that is for Veo 2. But a lot of people right now don't want to use Veo 2 due to some reasons. So if you come down here, you can scroll and see other services that Google provide, right? So when you see other services that Google provide, this can decide to test anyone. But today we're going to use Veo 3. And how do we do that? That is the question everybody's asking. So right now, what I'm going to do right now is to come to this particular app that I have built. I'll go to the app that I have built for this demonstration, right? So I'm going to use that app to demonstrate. So if I come, okay, if I come down here, you see what Pin Studio. This is the app that I built myself. So this app now, you can see you can actually access the source code of it and all that and preview it. So this app is what we're going to use today to generate our video. So what do we have in this app? Our name, you see, upload image, then step 2, describe your animation, then select the aspect ratio. So that is what we have in this simple code, this simple application. Here is a prompt of this particular application. So this is the prompt that we use to generate it. Okay, so I'm going to give you guys this prompt. So now we want to see what this image can do, this software can do, right? Let's see what this software can do. You can actually just upload, as I've said. Then you first of all write your prompts on what the image that you want to upload will do, right? So you can use ChatGPT to write that. ChatGPT will help you to write your image, frame it, how it's going to work perfectly. Just follow it up. You can ask him, say, ask me a question before you proceed and all that. So you can go ahead and say that the prompt is actually good for your test. But for now here, I'm going to upload an image. I want to upload this image. This is image I want to use for this testing. Sorry. Okay, I'm going to paste in my prompt here. Then I'll select the aspect ratio. I'll click. Let's go. So it's going to, you can see here, it's going to generate this image, right? It's going to generate it. Now let's wait and see how it's going to turn this image into video. Else I'm going to wait. But while waiting, I want you to use this opportunity to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so you can subscribe to my channel. And if this is your first time, like if this is your first time coming across my video, please you need to subscribe. Or if you have you're a subscriber and you have watching my video, you find it helpful, please do wait to do what? Drop a like to my video. And what would that like actually do for me? That like will help me to push this video into search engine for more recommendation. So you can just help me to do that. It won't take anything from you, right? Just a few seconds. So that is all. So now let's go back to our video and see. We're still waiting for the video to All right. So here you can see we actually have the video ready, right? If you look at if you look at here, you see that we have this video ready. Okay, so this is the video, this image that is being converted to video. You can see the hand wave and everything. Is just look at it. Everything is waving, be animated like perfectly, following the lips. Just look at the lip. Okay, now you're going to see the download button here. You can see this is download button. You can see here. When I click on it, it's going to download. Right now that I've downloaded it, so let me look. Let me open it in a full frame. Yes, you can see it here. So the image, everything is perfect on this image. Now, let me come here and then let's look, because a lot of you say, ah, no, that is not the prompt. So let's test it. I'm going to copy this prompt. Then this is what we have, right? This is what we just generated. So let me use another window. So what you need to come now is to come to aistudio.google.com/apps. Then you come to this build session. Okay. When you click on the build, don't select any other things here. Just come to here where it says start building with Gemini. Then paste that prompt. So when you paste that prompt, you screw up this particular prompt. Make sure you delete it. So you come down, you delete. That is, you remove the space. You click run. So when you click run, it's going to take a few minutes. Let's say 1 minute or a few seconds. Then it's going to get our code ready, right? Now, what type of code is it going to get ready? Something, a platform like this, an interface like this. That's what it's going to get ready. Now, for those of you that want to edit this to change the name, just come down to the edit the name section here and then type in your name. Okay, just type any name you want to put. Then you click save. As see here, the name is going to change here. Then I think within some time it's going to change here. But if it did not change here, just refresh it, it's going to change. Or I will also show you another way, because this what I'm showing you is the way you can just really customize this. We're still waiting. Okay. So our code has been generated. You can see here, this the code is being generated. And here at this section here, this green check mark is tags like the exact place or things that the system have been able to generate it. So you can see metadata, index text, and all that. So these are the features that is going to make the platform work, and that is what is generating. So let's just have few patience. All right, guys, our code has successfully been generated and we're on the preview interface right now. So it's loading. So let's just wait for it to load and see what is able to generate for us. All right, guys, there is the interface, right? I hope you can see it. Nothing is different from what we have previously. Some of you said, no, okay, let's still test it. So what I'm going to do is upload image, right? I'm going to upload image. So let me just upload this image right now. I'm going to upload this one, giving the prompt again. Then hit, oh, this is not the prompt. Go here, copy the prompts, paste, then hit run. So you can see it here, sending your video. Oh, yeah, sorry, I didn't look well. So, okay, you can see it here, it's be analyzing it, and then let's see what it's going to do. So, actually, the result is actually going to be the same thing. Try it again and again and again, going to get the same result. And now, look at it, you did not even need to copy your API and all that, just build you the application that you can use. And you can also deploy this application, yes. can come down here to deploy this application, but this will require you to add a credit card to deploy this application. Or you can come here and send it to your GitHub and then make it public from there. Or you can download the source code by just click on the download application here and then download it, or you can copy your code, that's your app, to another one, or you can share it. This is your switch API key, which I'm not recommending that. So you can see here now, look at this now. You can see the sign, the list stick. Okay, like, are you looking the sign, the way it pointed to the hand and all that? But just imagine what we give. This is the image, and here you are seeing the image moving. So this is what this particular thing will do for you. So now you are not limited to generate video again, right? So you can actually generate the image of the video with Nano Banana or OpenAI, which is ChatGPT, and then bring it here, turn it to life, right? This is very simple. So thank you guys for watching my video.